Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen. Okay guys, so today I decided to take you all with me for this yummylicious recipe. So I'll be trying out the frying method of preparing egusi soup. In case if you're not aware, I have non-frying method of preparing egusi soup already on my channel. Okay, please do check out that video. Okay, so today I decided to I brought good news to you. Like, I'll be making wenge correct party style egusi soup. This soup tasted so good and we loved and enjoyed it. Okay, if you are new, my name is Uju. Welcome to Ujulinnspace. Consider smashing that subscribe button, and to my returning subscribers, thank you for loving me and supporting as always. So let's just jump into this video. So in a pressure pot, I added the meat, and I'll also be seasoning the meat with some salt and seasoning cubes. I added some water, okay, just the same level with the beef. I'm going to cover it and cook for 15 minutes. So in another pot, I added some palm oil, allow it to heat up. I went ahead and added my onions, diced onions, okay. So I'll also stir it at this point. I'm going to be seasoning these onions with some salt, and I'll saute it for 2 minutes. So this is after 2 minutes. I added blended peppers. So these are red bell peppers or tatashe. Okay, you don't need to add tomato for this recipe. Okay, so I added the blended peppers. I'm going to allow it to boil for 5 to 7 minutes. So this has been boiling for 5 minutes now. I'll go ahead and add my grounded melon seeds, okay, which is also known as egusi seeds. Okay, so yes, I'll add it now and then stir to combine. Please note, you have to keep stirring it so that it doesn't burn, because once the egusi burns, it's going to change the taste entirely, and we don't want that. Okay, so this has been frying for 10 minutes now. Okay, I'll go ahead and add my pre-cooked stockfish head and fillet. Okay, yeah, so these are pre-cooked stockfish head and fillet. I added them at this point. I'll also be adding my pre-cooked beef. Okay, then I'm going to stir it to combine. So I noticed that the texture is thick. I'll go ahead and add my meat stock to loosen the texture. Okay, I also added blended habanero pepper and obey. You can use locust bean for this recipe, but I'm using obey. Okay, then I also added some water because I noticed that it was thick. Yes, I want to have a slimmer texture. Okay, so I'm going to cover this and allow to cook for 10 minutes. So this is after 10 minutes. It has been cooking so nicely and it looks delicious already. So I'll go ahead and add my deboned mangala fish. Okay, yeah, these are dry fish washed and deboned. I'm also going to be adding crayfish at this point, grounded crayfish. I season with some salt. I'm also going to season also with some seasoning cubes. These are beef seasoning. Okay, so then stir to combine and allow to cook for 10 more minutes. So this has been cooking for 10 minutes now. Guys, look at that soup. It looks so yummy, like so yummy. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add my shredded uziza leaves. Okay, these are uziza leaves. Please, can you tell me the English name of this uziza leaf in the comment section? I would like to know. Okay, so I stirred it to combine. I'm also going to top up with my pumpkin leaves. Guys, like, you can never go wrong with pumpkin leaves, which is also known as ogo, but you can use any leaf of your choice. Okay, you can use kale, you can use spinach, whatever leaf you can, you come across in your area or you have in your area, you can go ahead and use it. It's totally fine. So I added my ugu. I'm going to stir it to combine. Like, guys, this soup is ready at this point. What are you going to be taking this soup down with? Is it with fufu or with eba? Are you going to eat it with rice? Yes, some people can take this soup with rice. For me and my family as weight loss gang, we enjoyed it with some wheat. Okay, Okay, tell me what you'll be enjoying this your delicious soup with. I would like to know. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you've not, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I drop a video. I love you guys. I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.